Hi you guys, today we did chapter 5, lesson 2 in our Go Math text, and it's all about divisibility rules. That's why I'm showing you this part of our notes right now because it has all the divisibility rules listed. But if you are in my class and you're watching this, you can go look on my school webpage if you wanted to print out a picture of the poster we have posted in class. So I'm doing a couple sample problems from your homework, and I'm going to focus on the ones that have where it asks if 6 is a factor of the number, because the other ones ask about 5 being a factor, and I think those are a lot more simpler. So here are the two problems, and I wrote the rule off on the side there. Okay, so is 6 a factor of the number? Well, when I'm looking at 56, the first thing I want to check is the number divisible by 2 and by 3? So if it's divisible by 2, that means that the last digit is even. So I'm going to look at the last digit, and if the digit is an even number, that means it's divisible by 2. So that's a good sign since it's divisible. 6 is divisible by 2, so I can move on. Is it divisible by 3? So that means the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So that means I need to add these two digits together. So I'm going to add 5 plus 6, which equals 11. Now I need to ask, is 11 divided by 3? Is it divisible by 3? No, it's not, because that actually equals about 3 remainder 2. So this number is not divisible by 6 because it has to match both of these rules if it's divisible by 6. It has to have the last digit being an even number, and it has to be divisible by 3. So let's look at number 4 now. So I see that my last digit is a 6, and that's even, so it's divisible by 2. And now I'm going to see if it's divisible by 3. So 6 plus 6 equals 12, and 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So because we get that nice even number or a whole number, there's no remainders, that means it's divisible. So since it's divisible by both, then yes, 66 is divisible by 6, and that means that 6 is a factor of 66.